So, a gardener wants to barter landscape and lawn maintenance for treatment for mild depression. He gets rid of crabgrass and she gets rid of crabbiness. Sorry, but I don't like it.
Why not? It's not illegal.
No, it's not, putting aside possible tax questions.
It's not unethical.
Could be.
Well, I've checked the ethical codes for psychologists, social workers, and marriage and family counselors, and not one prohibits barter as unethical.
True, but note the tone they take in the language of the sections that deal with it in the codes. They are all cautious about permitting it and warn about not allowing it to become exploitive of the client or patient, or else it would be unethical.
Yeah, but what's so special about a provision that cautions against exploitation of a client? I mean, wouldn't that be true of any professional act that exploits a client?
Yes, it would, but this is a very particularly tricky area. I'm very conservative about advising my clients in the area of barter. It could easily turn into exploitation without the therapist intending it as such.
Explain.
Joseph has always maintained that bartering therapy for services is complicated and by its very nature prone to exploitation.
I make a clear distinction between bartering therapy for services by the client and bartering therapy for goods, merchandise.
What's the distinction?
Here, I agree with Joseph. Let's say, for instance, that Bob landscapes Alice's home, maintains her lawn and yard, sprays her fruit trees, whatever. Suppose Bob just does a lousy job, or suppose he does an adequate job and the therapist is persnickety about her lawn. Does this become a therapeutic issue? Do they talk about it in therapy? Maybe.
Well, I mean, I can see how this could get complicated, but where's the exploitation?
It's not uncommon in certain phases of therapy for the client to try hard to please the therapist to gain approval.
Oh, yeah, I can see where this is going.
Exactly. Does Bob overdo it? Does he try to become the best doggone landscaper that Alice has ever seen? Does he do more for her than he would for any other customer?